When it comes to if the hinge line is curved, or you can say non-cylindrical form. It will be like this, suppose. And draw hole like this. Or we can draw hole like this. So this is called as your depression. This is called as your depression along hinge axis. This is called as your culmination. This is called as your culmination along hinge. So if you see the outflow pattern of a depressed hinge line or culmination hinge line, they will look like this. Suppose this is a depressed hinge line, so it is plunging in this direction towards each other, and here they are plunging away from each other. So this is an antiform. That was antiform. जदि तुम्हें antiform रे plunging pattern तुम्हें outflow pattern draw करो, जो डायरेक्शन में plunging डायरेक्शन थी वैसे डायरेक्शन तुमको outflow close करेगा. તમે દીદી એ ફોલ્ડર ટોપ વ્યૂ ଗୋଟେ નવા તો after erosion it will look like this. surface जो ସେମାନେ କେମିତି expose ହେବେ କାରଣ plunging outflow पूरा close ହେବେ and जेहेतु antiform जो डायरेक्शन में plunge ଅଛି ସେଇ डायरेक्शन में close हेबे तो ये डायरेक्शन ଅଛି ସେ डायरेक्शन close ହେଲା ଏଟା डायरेक्शन ଅଛି तो এটা indicate କରୁଛି कि antiform with axial depression. Culmination देखा आदि ताले antiform जो direction ए direction में plunge is to it will close like this and other part opposite direction close up it will look like this. This will be antiform with axial culmination. This is an antiform with axial culmination. Understood? It is a synform case. The plunging direction here. Emergency. Add a plunging direction to the empty depression pattern. The synform है जो वाला plunging direction था opposite से close है outcrop. तो ये वाला plunging direction से तो मुझे empty close करेंगे. तो এটা indicate করছি যে depression. ଏଠି ସେଭଳିଆ ଯୁଆଡ଼େ ତୁମର plunging ଅଛି ତା opposite close ହବ. ଯୁଆଡ଼େ plunging ଅଛି ତାର opposite close ହବ. ଯଦି ଯୁଆଡ଼େ plunging ତା opposite close है ताले एभଳିଆ तो जो एरो मार्क इंडिकेट करे whether it is a culmination or depression. एरो यदि towards each other अछि सेटा depression, एरो यदि away from each other अछि सेटा अछि culmination. तो इटा होछि synform with axial culmination. Sorry, axial depression. This synform with axial culmination. तो synform में मन रखबा जो डायरेक्शन में plunging थाउची तार opposite direction में outcrop close हो. तो से अनुसार देखिए हमें एठी तो along the line towards each other plunging condition पाउछो. गोटे पटे तुम यदि ड्रा करिवो ताले plunging को opposite close होछि आर पटे plunging को opposite close हो. So they will produce a structure like this. So this is called as a diamond outcrop. This is called hourglass outcrop.